vada pav, garam garam vada pav.
If you are thinking that I am editing my videos or I am actually watching some Netflix or Amazon Prime series, no, I'm not doing that. I am predicting future. I am not an astrologer, but I understand the present to predict the future. I am a data scientist at an organization and I also teach data science and data analytics online. So it's been more than 3 months that I started my YouTube channel Vada Pav Samba, and I have been getting a few questions from people asking me where do I live, what do I do, who I am and all those stuff. So I thought it's a good time that I can chat with you all and answer some of those questions, and so that you guys can also get to know me better. Hi, hello, namaskar, wanakam. This is Gayatri and you're watching me on Vada Pav Samba channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I am online. So first let's start from the question, why Vada Pav Samba? I am a South Indian born in Andhra, brought up fully in Maharashtra. And Maharashtra is known for Vada Pav and South India is known for Sambar. I love having Vada Pav and my food is incomplete without Sambar rice. So that's why Vada Pav Sambar. As much as hybrid the combination is Vada Pav and Sambar, the content in the channel is also having a hybrid combination of topics ranging from cooking, traveling, some comedy videos, sharing experiences, things about data science and IT. So that's why Vada Pav Samba. The second question which I mostly get is that what I do. As I mentioned earlier, I am a data scientist at an organization. So my job is predominantly predicting future using the current information about data. And I am into IT for almost 8 years. This September it will be 8 years. And I started my career in Chennai. So I worked in Chennai for almost 2.5 years and then I moved to Bangalore and I worked there for almost 3 years, and then I've been working abroad. Coming to traveling, I'm not a person who would say traveling as a hobby. I'm a very lazy person. Given a chance, I would be more than happy to just apne bed pe pade raho, full time pade raho. I am very happy in that way. But I got the opportunity to travel to different countries to work. I worked in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and right now I'm working in Hamburg, Germany. So I came only in March to Germany, and prior to that I was working in Kuala Lumpur. So having said that, I'm currently residing in Hamburg, Germany, where the weather changes just in a flick. So morning it will be very sunny, evening it will be thunders and showers, and night it will be so cold that you cannot live without room heaters. That's the weather, and that's why in many of my videos you would see a poor lighting. That's because of the weather. Nothing is in my hands, bro. Okay, that's me practicing iconic Shah Rukh's step. So in a day, at least once or twice, I got to do this. Okay, मतलब अभी तक ही मैंने 3 बार कर लिया already. I am a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan. And आपको तो पता ही है कि मुझे singing और dancing का कितना शौक है. I love singing and dancing, and also I love talking. I wanted a platform where I can come, talk, share my experiences. So that's why I started YouTube channel Vada Pav Samba. And my favorite outfit? My pajamas and t-shirt. Nothing in this world can be more comfortable than wearing pajamas and t-shirt, trust me. And that's why most of my videos you will be seeing me only in pajamas and t-shirts. Then the next question which I often get is about my favorite holiday spot. So as I said, I'm not like a person who is like a traveler or who likes to travel so much. But right now, if you ask me which is the place you want to visit, I would definitely say India, because I am staying abroad, so I would want to visit to India. I just really hope that this COVID situation, comes to an end and we all can travel. And the favorite city in the world, definitely Pune. I've been fully brought up over there. I studied my 10th, 12th, engineering, everything. Almost 22 years of my life has been spent in Pune. So definitely Pune. And coming to studies, I did my Bachelor's of Engineering degree in Electronics and Telecommunications, and then I started working. I didn't do any Masters. Can you see now how the weather is so bright? Abhi just 2 minutes pehle it was raining and now it's bright again. So when I start my video, I say hi, hello, namaste, namaskaram, vanakkam. So these are like 4 languages. Hi, hello, obviously English. Namaste is Hindi, Namaskaram is Telugu, Vanakkam is Tamil. That's because I can actually speak in these 4 languages. Hindi obviously because I stayed in Maharashtra, so मेरे friends लोगों के साथ आजू बाजू जो भी रहते थे उन सबके साथ मैं हिंदी में बोलती थी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मैं मेरे भाई के साथ आज तक हिंदी में बोलती हूँ. लाइक हम दोनों कंफर्टेबल जिस लैंग्वेज में है वो हिंदी है. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు తెలుగు, నేను తెలుగు అమ్మాయినండి. సో ఆబ్వియస్గా ఇంట్లో అమ్మ నాన్న వాళ్ళతో తెలుగే మాట్లాడతాను. తెలుగు నాకు చదివేదానికి కొంచెం కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఐఎమ్ లెర్నింగ్. I'm trying to say that it takes little time and effort for me to read Telugu. I'm not so fluent in reading Telugu, but నేను తెలుగు మాత్రం ఫ్లూయెంట్గా మాట్లాడగలుగుతా. Tamil because I worked in Chennai for 2.5 years thanks to my friends. அவங்க வந்துட்டு 2.5 years எனக்கு தமிழ் கற்றுக் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. நான் வந்துட்டு அவ்வளோ சூப்பராக தமிழ் பேசுவேன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, ஆனால் யாராவது வந்துட்டு என்கிட்ட தமிழில் ஏதாவது கேட்டானா நான் ஈஸியாக தமிழில் பதில் சொல்லிடுவேன். அப்புறம் தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் ப்ரோக்கனாக இருக்கும், பட் ஈஸியாக தமிழ்நாட்டில் போனால் ஈஸியாக மேனேஜ் பண்ணிவிடு. தமிழ் படிக்கிறதுக்கு தெரியாது எனக்கு. ஐ டோன்ட் நோ ஹவு டு ரீட் தமிழ். Coming to Kannada and Marathi, Kannada I understand up to 80%, but I don't know how to respond in Kannada. And Marathi I think I understand almost 100%, but I don't talk much in Marathi. So this is about the language stuff. You know what? Right now I feel like going to Pune and having that roadside pani puri here. I so miss it. And staying abroad, I realized that more than people, we actually miss the food, the areas which we roamed. Matlab, if you are missing people, you can go ahead and do a video call and at least you can see them. But food ka, that taste and all, it's very difficult to see them virtually and enjoy the taste. So that's what I feel. I mean, let me know in comment section if you guys have any time left, any place, and what is the thing that you miss the most. And coming to food, I am a very selective person when it comes to food. I am a vegetarian and I don't eat paneer, mushroom and soya. So my friends ask me, then what do you eat? And I say only aloo and bhindi. And also I don't like cheese much, so I'm not a pizza fan, and I don't like burgers. Very selective food. But whatever food I eat, that can be puri chole, veg biryani, pulao, ya fir dosa, all those food I definitely enjoy a lot. But on top of all these things comes my favorite food, that is I don't know whether it's food, but I take it as food. It's ice creams and chocolates. I just simply love them, man. I cannot resist. Yeah, like once there was a time when I decided not to eat pastries because it has so much of sugar and all that stuff. But then ice creams and chocolates are like my weakness. And then coming to cooking, I am an experimental cook. I won't call myself as a very good cook because I don't cook as much good food as my mom, but definitely one thing I learned is staying abroad is that you won't get everything abroad, especially Indian food requires a lot of spices and it's very difficult to get all the spices abroad. So what I try to do is with whatever available, I try to cook it as much delicious as it can be. And I like to experiment with new dishes in cooking, not with eating, but I like to experiment in cooking. Like I might cook, but I might end up not eating, but I'll make others eat. So That's what I am. And my husband says that I'm very good in making oats, recipes related to oats, because उसमें कुछ करना नहीं होता है ज़्यादा, इसलिए शायद. And yeah, today I'm making some pudina tomato rotis, something I thought I can try it, and I'm making it. So yeah, that's it guys, about me. Thank you so much to everyone who took time to send me DMs, to send me emails, and wanted to know more about me. If you guys have more questions, or if you want me to talk about something, or if you have questions related to IT, data science, feel free to reach out to me in my email or comment section, whatever you feel comfortable. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vada Pav Sambar channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram with my name as Gayatri Kanala. I'll meet you in my next video very soon. Until then, bye bye.